We have another question to discuss. You have a word called as lomasomes are found in. Answer is B, but we need to know what are lomasomes. The word loma means a hill or mount with a broad top. So usually I should have a mount or a hill like this, but if it is like this, I call it as loma. So we are going to speak about some structure which looks like this. So we call it as lomasome. Some means body, loma means broad topped mount. Okay, we see it in fungal cells. I'll say you what it is. Here what happens, all of us know that the fungi has cell wall. So what I drew is plasma membrane, and outside this we will have cell wall. So all of us know cell wall in fungi is made up of pectin and chitin. Correct? Cell wall. Sometimes what happens, the plasma membrane grows more than place available. Place is little lame, but that helps you to understand the concept. So for instance, if this is the plasma membrane, think that the plasma membrane has grown extra here and it has to accommodate in the same space. So this extra fold of plasma membrane can either project outside like how I shown here, or it can invaginate inside. Correct? Where it can accommodate the extra, either project it outside, we call it as evagination, or inside. So if it is projected outside, then this is the structure. I call it as lomasome. So it will be in between plasma membrane and cell wall. I call it as lomasome. So it becomes a broad topped hill like structure. So I call it as lomasome. Between plasma membrane and cell wall. But if it projects inside into cytoplasm, we call it as plasmalemmasome. So both are the excess plasma membrane in the fungus. If it invaginates, I call it as plasmalemmasome. Or if it evaginates outside, which is limited by cell wall, then I call it as lomasome. So you can see here we have the lomasomes. Here this is the cell wall. They have given little invagination also as lomasomes. But if it is invagination, it should be plasmalemmasome. You can cross check the content. But we use them more or less the same because in both the cases it is extra plasma membrane. So you can see here they sometimes store the food. They sometimes act as vacuoles. So they function as per the demand. Such structures are called as lomasomes.